This is the condition of my hair, but still I'm not unbraiding it yet. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So I am Nyar Kolando, a Kenyan YouTuber. So today I'm going to be showing you how I wash my 3 weeks old cornrows. I've had them in for 3 weeks and I've been using wigs as a protective style. So these are some of the products that I'm going to be using, and most of them are from the Micalla line of products. And guys, this video is not sponsored in any way. I'm just showing you what I'm going to be using on my hair. Now I'm unbraiding the hair at the back, and guys, they are not such clean lines, but anyways they do help. And see all that growth. This is a 3 weeks old growth. I think it's quite nice. So if you're new here to my channel, kindly make sure you subscribe. Please ensure you subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you get notified whenever I upload a new video. Also make sure you like this video and do leave a comment in the comment section. I know someone might be wondering, why don't you just remove those old braids already? Anyways, life happens, and I'm comfortable with them. So I'm at a point of my life where things are just happening and I don't have so much time to work on my hair. So I'd rather just leave them in this protective style as long as my hair grows right. Anyways, so now I'm going to take my shampoo and I'll just go ahead and shampoo my hair. And I'm going to be using the Micalla shampoo. And guys, it smells so nice and it strips the hair of all dirt and impurities. For the long time that I've been using it, I can say that it serves the purpose. Anyways, keep watching. Alright, so now I've already washed my hair and I just tied it up with this cotton shirt so as to drench away the excess air. So I'm going to do some protein treatment on my hair because it's been tucked away for so long. And yeah guys, that's what I'm going to be doing. And oops, that happens. Anyways, I'm going to continue guys, and don't mind how the lighting is. I'm outside and it's so sunny, so yeah, never mind about that. So here I am just taking my ORS protein treatment. And guys, I swear with this product, like, it's just the best. I've been using it too for quite some time, and it's just the best, especially when the hair is unbraided. So I don't know how it will feel on my braided hair after I wash it out, but we'll see about that. So I'm just going to do that, then cover it up with the shower cape and also my cotton shirt, then leave it for 45 minutes or so. Then I'm going to wash it off, condition, then come back and show you the results. If you are enjoying this content so far, kindly make sure you subscribe to my channel, hit the subscribe button and also ring the bell icon so that you don't miss any upload that I'll do from henceforth. Also make sure you give this video a thumbs up guys, and also finally make sure you leave a comment in the comment section. Let me know what you think about this video. Let me know if you'd ever try washing your hair in cornrows or any other protective style. Let's just communicate. Let's have a conversation about natural hair. guys, drop a comment in the comment section. Let me also know if you struggle with natural hair, like what are some of the challenges that you face when you're working with your natural hair or trying to grow out your natural hair. I tend to think I'm not the only one struggling with in this natural hair journey. It's so tiresome, but it's really worth it. So let's talk about that in the comment section, right? After all that, I'm done, and it's now time to oil or seal in the moisture that my hair has gotten from the treatment and from the conditioning. So yeah, that's it. And guys, let me tell you, my hair feels so soft. It feels so moisturized. So I'm going to seal in the hair so as not to lose the moisture that I've gotten. Anyways, this is a close-up look, and you can see the growth that's there and everything. My scalp looks really clean, and I just love it. Look at that. Though the braids are not straight, they're just, I don't know how to describe them, but at least my hair is tucked in. So this is also the conditioner that I used, the Micalla conditioner. So that's it. And guys, these products smell amazing, and as I said earlier, this is not a sponsored video. I'm just showing you what I use normally. So to go ahead, I'm going to use this Micalla leave-in treatment to seal my hair. This leave-in treatment has some peppermint in it, so as you put it on your scalp, you'll kind of feel the tinglish. Is it tinglish or ticklish? That feeling, you'll feel it on your scalp, but it's so soothing, guys. I really love this. After finishing, I'll go ahead and apply this concoction that I made, and this one I just use it for my scalp only. If you want to see what's inside of it, kindly comment in the comment section so that I may make a video for you to see what's in it. And it really helps with my hair growth, guys. I can attest to it. It's a hair growth oil, guys, so don't mind how I'm mumbling and rambling. So after all that is done, I'm going to go ahead and give myself a good head massage, guys. What's the aim of this hair routine if you don't massage your scalp? Like, it's so therapeutic. You feel so fresh afterwards, and it's just so nice. Anyways, to go ahead and finally add the final layer of sealant, I'm going to use my coconut oil to seal in the moisture. Remember, the leave-in treatment is not a sealant per se. An oil is the one that acts as the real sealant. So that's what I'm going to be using, and I'll see you later. So after all that, this is what I had, guys, and let me just tell you that my hair feels so very moisturized, guys. I just love it. Anyways, I think this was just the best treatment for me while I have my cornrows in. So please make sure you subscribe to my channel, hit the like button, and drop a comment in the comment section, and I'll see you in another video, guys. Bye.